Hey everybody, this is Mark with Justice League of Credit. So I thought that right now, since I'm pulled over right now, of course, got to be safe. 2020 is about to end. Thank you. And 2021 is slowly approaching. So with that being said, rolling into the 2021 period, Justice League of Credit will be making some good changes. Of course, our prices is going to be changing, of course, and we're also adding student loan consultations, such as helping you reduce the amount of debt that you owe with student loans, help you qualify for certain plans, and just overall help you with your student loan debt. So we're going to be adding that service rolling into 2021. And of course, as you know, we are paired up with a few realty companies and a few mortgage lenders to help you achieve your mortgage, to help you get into your new home. So we do still have that going, and we got like a lot of different things that we're implementing. So it's just we're opening up another location here in 2021, January 1st, of course. So yes, we're just excited. So, so far we got two locations, our Beach Boulevard location and the downtown Bank of America building location. So, and also we got a new website coming up, hopefully beginning of the new year. Hoping that we get that up and running then. We'll be doing more webinars. So yeah, we just, trying to change for the new year. You are the reason why we're changing, for the better. So I want to thank all of the followers, our followers. I want to thank our customers. I want to thank my friends and family, everybody for supporting Justice League of Credit. And, we couldn't do it without you. So, just, if y'all have any questions, whether it's credit related or not, you can give me a call or us a call at 904-339-8051, or you can reach out to our social media pages. We are on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and you can find us by just typing in Justice League of Credit all together. And yes, we definitely have a heavy social media presence. So just like and share and comment, just share the wealth. And we also have a affiliate program. So if anybody that you send to us and they sign up for services, that's $50 per person. So yeah, make money, and we appreciate everybody that's supporting us, and we want to support you and everybody rolling into the new 2021 year. So my name is Mark with Justice League of Credit. I'm the credit restoration expert, and y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you.